Hello guys, welcome to Trending Tube. Friends, my name is Biswa and in this video I'm going to unbox this particular product called as Marius. You can see here it is being mentioned as Marius. It is a stool basically guys, and it is the cheapest tool which is available in IKEA. It is the price I paid for this stool is 299 rupees, which is 300 rupees, and 300 rupees is almost equivalent to $4 guys. So in $4 you will get a good quality, strong and durable stool. This is made up of stainless steel. You will find different type of stools as well using plastic stool, but I would suggest to go for a stainless steel and a hard quality material because for the durability. So I opted for the red color. You will get in green color, white color, maybe black colors as well. I opted for the red color because it looks good. And then product name itself, as I mentioned, it is Marius, and they have mentioned the price as 419 rupees, but we purchased it for 299 rupees. And it is basically a stool, measurement tested for 100 kg. They have already tested it for 100 kg of the weight. Okay, and the sitting diameter is 32 centimeter and the width is 40 centimeter. Okay, 32 centimeter of the sitting dimension, width is 40 centimeter and the height is 45 centimeter. Fine, the height is 45 centimeter, width is 40 centimeter. Let us quickly open it and then assemble this guys. Assembling is also very easy. So you will get first of all a set of items which you need to fit. Here you will get 4 leg rests, the leg supports, and then 4 or 5 screws and 1 screw fitting material. Okay, and then a plastic. It's made up of high quality and a durable plastic. You can say it's a high quality. Okay, and then let me quickly take the other materials out. This is the second one. Along with that you will get a installation guide. Okay, so they will provide you how to do that. Very easy. So the first step is to crisscross this particular 2 legs, and then you can rotate it and then fit the screws, and then you fit another screw, and then they're done. So let us quickly do it. You can see this chair is ready, and I hope you are able to see. And let me sit here when it is quite comfortable. You can see guys, this chair is ready, and you can see it is a good quality one, and I am comfortable here, and it will definitely hold for around 100 kg of weight. And see the quality, it is good, looking good as well, and it's a good add to your home. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, hit the like button guys, and if you have any queries, do post in the description section, in the comment section, and subscribe to my channel for further updates. Thanks guys, thanks for watching. Take care, bye bye.